different charges.
I can do that. I can tell you that's the First Amendment.
You know, a lot of people like to act like they're cops.
Federal agent.
Shut your mouth.
You don't talk to me like that. I'm not your boy.
Talk to you, boy. You a boy.
Here are 11 times dumb cops tried to arrest smarter ones, starting with an Adams County deputy who thought he could arrest an individual for just sitting in his vehicle.
Step out.
I want sergeant
Step
here.
out, and you're gonna get tased.
You ain't getting my
license.
You ain't getting my. Hey,
Different
I
charges.
can do that. I can tell you
It all started when Deputy Belinsky was finishing a traffic stop and noticed a man filming the entire interaction from his car. Unsure of why he was doing it, the deputy decided to walk up to him, aiming to assert his dominance, only for their conversation to take an unexpected turn.
Can I get your name and badge number?
For what?
What?
For what? What do you need?
So I know who I'm making a complaint against.
For what?
For speeding.
Speeding?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have you recorded doing 80 miles an hour in a 65 mile an hour zone. No headlights, no sirens, nonchalantly. Apparently you drive like that all the time. So I wanted to film hypocrisy at its finest.
Okay. License, registration, proof of insurance.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Because now you're in.
No, I'm
Yes.
doing nothing. If you're going to start this, you get your sergeant over here.
License, registration.
Get your
proof-
sergeant over here.
License, registration.
Get your sergeant over
License,
here.
registration,
Get your
proof-
sergeant over here.
License?
No, I ain't giving you. Get your
pulled it-
sergeant over here.
You pulled over on a traffic stop, so you had to.
I didn't pull over on your traffic
Yes, you
stop.
did.
I pulled over here because I had to answer my phone.
No.
Yeah,
License?
that's exactly why. You're not getting from me. If you're going to keep this up, get your sergeant out here.
License, registration.
You
proof of
ain't getting
insurance.
from me.
Hey,
You
then
ain't getting from me.
Then now you're obstructing, and
No, I'm
taking you to
not.
jail.
Obstruction is a physical.
No, it's not.
Look, dude, you better get your sergeant out here.
Now
Okay?
you're verbally assaulting
Get your
me.
sergeant out here.
License, registration,
Hey,
proof of
I
insurance.
can do that. I can tell you that's the First Amendment. If you got a problem, get your sergeant out
License,
here.
registration,
You
proof
ain't
of
getting from me. Get your sergeant out here.
Okay.
I'm asking for your sergeant for the last time.
And I'm asking
Get
for
your sergeant out
No.
here. Well, you
License-
ain't getting my.
license.
You ain't
registration,
getting my.
registration,
You ain't
proof-
getting nothing.
Okay, then I will arrest you for obstruction.
You do that, buddy, and I'll sue Adams
Step out.
County.
Step out.
Got it.
Step out.
You better get a. I want a sergeant here.
Step out.
I want a sergeant
Step
here.
out, and you're gonna get tased.
Come to get paid. I have a weapon right there. Where?
We'll secure that in here, okay?
You have a CCW?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, he's a Denver cop, or he's a Denver cop.
And
Really?
I know my rights too, buddy.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You want to get me out of the road here so I don't get run over?
The man now in cuffs and heading to Belinsky's cop car was Barry Zatkalik, a Denver Reserve police officer whose only crime was insinuating that he was going to file a complaint for speeding. And although it seemed like Belinsky had won the war of words, the entire situation was about to flip on its head.
So, how exactly did he obstruct?
Well,
That's what we got to clarify.
well, I'm trying to get it. He came up here. If in all honesty, I should have contacted him sooner, but I didn't. I waited for my traffic stop, so I contacted him. He's video recording me, so I was asking for all of his information. He's like, he's not giving it to me. He wanted a supervisor.
He was just video recording?
And then when I was asking,
Did he walk up to your stop?
No. But then,
You don't have obstruction?
but when I was trying to get his information here,
Yeah.
he wouldn't give me his information here. He wouldn't identify himself here. It's weak.
Yeah.
It's very weak, and I can care less that I say it on the camera.
But,
And I asked him to step out, and he stepped out lawfully. Just wouldn't identify himself. It's weak, but I got it.
I'm driving down 85. I'm leaving Brighton. I'm on my way to the Ford dealership to get my core back on a starter. Okay, I'm doing 65. This guy passes me, and I look at my thing, and I'm doing the speed limit. And he passed me, pretty aggressively. So I started to go to catch up to him because I wanted to pace him to see how fast he was going. He was going about 80 miles an hour. I recorded it. Like I said, he just passed me and he disappeared. Okay. So my intention was, I've got this on video. I was going to call the station and complain.
Get a hold of me.
Yeah, whoever.
That's what we come to.
Right. So I had no idea where he went, but I turned on 104th to go to the Ford dealership, and he had somebody pulled over, and right at the same time my phone rang. So I noticed that it was the same guy, and I thought, boy, isn't that something if he's given whoever he pulled over a ticket for speeding? Just sat there, and I put my phone out the window to record. He said, give me your stuff or I'll get you for obstruction. I said, you didn't pull me over. I don't have to give you my driver's license. You didn't pull me over.
Right.
So then he opened my car, yanked me out, handcuffed me, and here I sit. And I told him, I want a sergeant. You have no to do this. And that officer that's going up to my van right now admitted it.
Yeah.
He said, yes, you shouldn't be.
That deputy's right there. He's right there with you.
So I'd like these handcuffs off. I'd like to be going. I'd like that guy's
That's
information, and I'd like to go on my way here.
That's going to happen.
Of course it was. The Adams County deputies didn't have any other choice. In fact, the sergeant would spend the next few minutes trying to placate the clearly upset officer.
I'll handle it. It'll be taken care of. I promise you that. I'm not going to let it. It's not going to just go away.
Okay.
It will be handled. I'm sorry. I will apologize for the sheriff's office. I'm sorry it happened. It shouldn't have. Like I said, let me go talk to him for a minute, and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay.
Okay.
Well, here's my business card. Didn't mean it to go this route. Unfortunately, it did. So that is my apologies. But so I don't know what else to say.
You ought to know better.
So I will bite my tongue on that response, sir.
Yeah. Am I free to go?
Absolutely, sir.
Well, I'll see you at court.
Okay, sir. Have a great day. Thank you, sir. Have a great day. No, sir. Enjoy your day, sir. Thank you.
What the hell did he just say?
He said I'm an idiot and to see me in court, and then grabbed his balls and flipped me off.
At the same time as you have it on camera.
Yes.
Despite Belinsky and his supervisor's best efforts to prevent the off-duty officer from escalating the situation further, Zatalik went ahead and sued Adams County, ultimately receiving an $80,000 settlement.